Hello, friends. Welcome to Basic Study Knowledge. We have started our basic grammar series. While proceeding to our first lecture, please subscribe our channel. The first lecture on the basic grammar series is all about sentence and its type. We have heard this word sentence a lot of the time, but it's a time to gain its proper understanding. Sentences are the group of the words that deliver the complete thought. Here, complete thought refers to where the organization of words in a sentence. For example, if I say, the car red is, I'm not delivering a complete sense of sentence here. But if I take the same words and put them as, the car is red, now the sense and as well as meaning of a sentence is complete. So, sentences are the group of words that have complete thought and meaning of the sentence, and as well as they have subject and verb agreement. Subject and verb agreement means that they have subject and verb in the sentence. Sometimes subject in the sentence are assumed. For example, if I say stand up, then you is assumed as a subject here. Now moving towards the type of sentences, we have four types of sentences on the basic of its function: declarative sentence, interrogative sentence, imperative sentence, and exclamatory sentence. Moving toward our first sentence type, it is declarative sentence. A sentence that make assertions and statements are called declarative sentence. Simply they express an opinion, feeling, or make a statement or describe things. In our first example, a dog is a man's faithful friend. Here I am giving opinion that a dog is a man's faithful friend. But in the second example, my new car is black. I'm describing my new car. I'm giving the description about my new car. So all the sentences that describe something, gives an opinion or make a statement comes under the declarative sentences. The second type of sentence is the interrogative sentence. It is very easy to distinguish the interrogative sentence with other type of sentences because interrogative sentence always proceeds with a question mark in the end. And it asks question which can be started from WH family, which means it can be started from where, when, how, or it can be started with modal verbs like can and could, or with auxiliary verbs like do or have. In our first example, where do you live? Here, I'm asking a question about area or place you are living in. It starts with WH family and have a question mark in the end. We have two more examples. Can I go home, which starts with modal verb, and do they live in France, which starts with auxiliary verb. The third type of the sentence is imperative sentence. Imperative sentence express the commands, entreaty, which simply means that this type of sentence delivers the sense of request, commands, instruction, sheer wishes, or invitations. For example, in the first sentence, in our first example, we can clearly see that be quiet, which means that here I am giving a command to put yourself in a silence. But in the second sentence, have a mercy upon us, I am putting a request for a mercy. So the type of sentences or the sentences that deliver the request, commands, instructions, your wishes, or invitations come under imperative sentences. The last type of the sentence on the basis of its function is exclamatory sentence. Exclamatory sentence express strong feelings. We can say that it expresses the overflow of emotions. That emotions can be happiness, wonder, sorrow, anger, frustration, and appreciation. And it always comes with exclamation mark. For example, in the first example, what I shame. Here in the sentence, what I shame, it expressed two type of emotions, anger and as well as frustration. While in a second example, hurrah, we won the match. Here is the overflow emotions of a happiness. And in the last sentence, loss, she lost her mother. Here we are expressing the emotion of a sorrow. So, this is all about sentence and a type of sentence on the basis of its function. I hope you understand it well.